Hello, traders. FS Pipcolette here. Today is Thursday, November 9th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So, in the pound dollar, I still think that this is going to end up making an uptrend. I still think it's going to end up taking out these highs, probably going all the way up to one of these higher Fibonacci levels, probably making a nice 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 shape. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, most of the other dollar pairs actually look like this is a 1 and this is an A, B, and C. This one kind of looks like it already ended at wave 2 back here, but either scenario, it's pretty much the same outcome, which is that this is most likely going to eventually go up and make a 3, make a 4, and make a wave 5. So let's head down to that daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we definitely have a breaker structure. We definitely have some higher lows. I do for sure think this sets in a trend right here is complete. Now, this move up I have labeled as an ABC because I want to remind myself that this could definitely be a correction to the move down. But even if it is a correction to the move down, I think it would have to go up to one of these higher Fibonacci levels before it actually did end up continuing the downtrend. And based on the longer time frames, the weekly and the monthly, I think there's a possibility this could be the end of a correction. And yeah, it may bounce off some fib levels, but I think it's going to continue to make higher highs and higher lows. So let's take it right down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement as when this last push up. To me, this looks like a trend. I think it's more like an A. I think this is more like a B. I bet it's actually going to go down one more time, maybe to one of these lower fibs, maybe even all the way to the 78.6 before it really does end up continuing the uptrend. So let's keep that in mind. Let's take it right down to that 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I actually think this right here is a downtrend, most likely, probably all part of a wave A. This looks like 3 waves up to me. It looks like it's trying to make an entry to go short right now, potentially for a wave C. So if it makes a wave C down to one of these lower fib levels, ends up looking something like that, especially if you get a bounce off a fib level with a break of structure after making 3 waves down, that would be exactly what I want to see for an entry to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.